Question 1. The Space Exploration Program investigates cosmic phenomena. Black holes, neutron stars, distant galaxies, and planetary formations. Question 2. Where did you purchase that beautiful necklace? Complimented the jewelry designer while admiring the craftsmanship carefully. Question 3. The Marine Conservation Team monitored coral reefs, tracked sea turtle migrations, studied whale behavior patterns, and protected endangered species. Question 4. The emergency drill went smoothly today, reported the safety coordinator proudly after reviewing all evacuation procedures. Question 5. Before the theatrical audition, actors memorized scripts, practiced voice exercises, and prepared emotional character interpretations. Question 6. The archaeological expedition uncovered ancient artifacts, pottery shards, bronze tools, stone carvings, and preserved textiles. Question 7. Which languages are you planning to study next semester? Inquired the academic advisor during the registration appointment. Question 8. The sustainable farming operation produces organic crops, heirloom tomatoes, heritage grains, medicinal herbs, and seasonal vegetables. Question 9. The presentation was absolutely fascinating. Praised the conference attendee, especially the section about renewable energy innovations. Question 10. While conducting the psychology experiment, researchers collected data, analyzed behavioral patterns, and documented participant responses systematically. Question 11. The International Film Festival showcases diverse cinema, independent documentaries, foreign dramas, animated features, and experimental shorts. Question 12. How did the chess tournament conclude yesterday? One did the Grandmaster while analyzing the final game positions. Question 13. The engineering laboratory develops innovative solutions, robotic systems, artificial intelligence algorithms, sensor technologies and automated processes. Question 14. After completing the mountain expedition, climbers documented achievements, celebrated personal victories, and shared adventure stories with families. Question 15. The architectural design looks innovative, commented the city planner enthusiastically, because it incorporates sustainable building materials. Question 16. The wildlife sanctuary provides essential services: animal rehabilitation, habitat restoration, educational programs, and research initiatives. Question 17. What inspired you to become a professional photographer? Asked the magazine interviewer while reviewing the stunning portfolio. Question 18. During the scientific symposium, researchers presented findings, discussed methodologies, shared experimental results, and proposed future collaborations. Question 19. Can you explain the quantum physics principles clearly? Requested the curious student during the advanced physics lecture. Question 20. The Cultural Center promotes artistic expression, dance performances, musical concerts, poetry readings, and visual art exhibitions. Question 21. Please arrive early for the rehearsal, advised the theater director, so we can review the costume changes thoroughly. Question 22. The renewable energy facility generates clean power: solar panels, wind turbines, hydroelectric systems, and geothermal generators. Question 23. While participating in the robotics competition, teams programmed algorithms, assembled mechanical components, and tested autonomous navigation systems. Question 24. Which innovative technologies will transform healthcare? Predicted the medical futurist during the biotechnology conference. Question 25. The oceanographic research vessel studies marine ecosystems: deep sea trenches, coral reef systems, underwater volcanic formations, and abyssal plains.